Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Noah, and once again, welcome back to another video. So today, I'm going to be unboxing the Super Big Honken SE bike bars. Now, on my bike, I have the Big Honken, but I got the Super Big Honken for around like $55 off of Amazon. So yeah, that's unboxing. Alright, so I'm currently unpeeling the tape. And I'm going to trash right there. And then open it up. See right in here. Hard to pull out. Ooh. Alright, so I got the chrome ones. They actually are pretty nice. You can definitely tell that they are bigger than the ones that I have on my bike. So yeah. Alright, so I'm first going to take off my grips because I'm going to try to reuse them. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so I took off both bolts on the grip, and now I just have to take the grip off, and I have to do the same thing on this side. Grip off, and now we have to get the second grip off. Oh wait, am I doing it the wrong way? Oh. Oh. Alright, so this is now the next stand. I have my handlebars on. They are actually really nice. When doing combos, something about them, they just make everything a lot easier. I do also think chrome does not look bad with the yellow and black. I did have a choice to get black, but if I got that, I mean, it wouldn't look too bad, but I do have like black grips and all this stuff, so. But to be honest, the chrome does not look that bad. All in all, these bars are really nice. I would recommend getting them, so yeah. Now we're just going to be getting some clips and riding around. Alright, so that's going to be the end of the video. I just want to say thank you guys so much for the amount of support on all my videos lately. We just hit 3,000 subscribers, which is a lot. And also make sure to go follow my Instagram because I do post stuff on there when I'm posting new videos, you know, and other stuff like that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for the support. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, peace out.